In 2020 and beyond, we will see a wave of new technologies being released around the world, which will revolutionize our industries, our communications, and our daily lives. Early rollouts of 5G networks are enabling new high-speed systems and applications. Smart cities are fundamentally changing how public systems communicate with their citizens. Industry 4.0, the Internet of Things, and artificial intelligence are enabling machine learning and predictive analytics to fully automate operations and supply chains. Blockchain technologies are being used to create smart contracts and permanent records across worldwide borders. Cybersecurity systems are evolving to mitigate new challenges brought on by billions of smart devices coming online. Meanwhile, the global pandemic has disrupted supply chains, causing companies to innovate and redefine their legacy business models. And at the center of all this is edge computing. So what is the edge? The edge is the connecting link between billions of IoT devices and the cloud. It provides higher bandwidth, lower latency, greater security, more resiliency, and increased capacity to support the massive amounts of data accumulated by the IoT devices and their applications. The Edge will be a key platform which will drive a new wave of revolutionary technologies coming in 2020 and beyond. What does this mean for your career and business? Introducing the 2020 Edge Computing Workshop. Attend this course and become an expert without enrolling in expensive, multi-week online university courses. In this workshop, you will receive a comprehensive overview of edge computing systems and applications, including real-world examples, and does not require an engineering or technical background. This training is perfect for executives and investors looking to identify future markets, technologies, and applications, and sales, marketing, and engineering professionals seeking to improve their application knowledge. This workshop is offered in pro and expert level sessions. In the pro session, we will cover an edge computing market overview, integration of the edge with new technologies such as 5G, Industry 4.0, cybersecurity, artificial intelligence, smart city, and blockchain, and a bonus topic of the global pandemic's impact on the edge. And in the expert session, we will also cover edge system architecture, applications and use cases, and a bonus topic of considerations for edge investment. Utilize your current work-from-home situation to your advantage. Use this time to educate yourself on the future growth opportunities and unlock your potential. Visit www.olympiaic.com and sign up today.